So today we were able to see the first piece of steel going up for the new paint shop we're installing here on site. We also walked through our body shop and general assembly buildings just to give an update on the overall construction progress going on here at the facility. So right now we're in the midst of converting the existing facility from an engine plant to an assembly plant. So we're standing out here right now on the site where we've taken over St. Jean from the city of Detroit, and we're working on expanding our parking lot. Behind us we have the paint shop construction going on. In the existing MAC 1 and MAC 2 facilities, we're currently renovating those facilities to be ready for the new equipment to come in later this year. We are working around the clock 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to bring this project to life. So right now we have 600 people working on first shift, another 85 on second shift. We're trying to make sure that the plant fits in with the community. With bringing the 5,000 jobs to the site, we also want to make sure that the residents adjacent to our property are happy with what we're doing here as well.